everyone. This is part two of Groove Pizza. Now that you have practiced using the shapes um, within your pizza wheel here, now what I would like for you to do is to go to specials. So select specials. And here is what you need to do once you have your rhythm patterns. Let's say, for instance, you select this one and you select play, and once you listen to it, you don't like the way it sounds and you made a lot of mistakes, and you don't like the way it sounds and you want to start all over again, just select plain and that'll take you back to the default settings, and then you can go ahead and rebuild your patterns. Now, what I would like for you to do, and I'm not going to do this because I want you to do it, I want you to select all of these different genres of music: lab groove, jazz swing, and go ahead and select all of the different genres that we have here. Go ahead and make your selections here. Don't forget to select and deselect here on your measures. And then once you have finished with your entire piece, you're satisfied with it. I want you to go to this button right here, to the share button. Now, if you're in grades three, this does not pertain to you, but this is only for grades 4 and 5. Once you go to the share button, I want you to download it as an audio file. So what you're going to do is you're going to select here and it's going to download. Now, as you can see, this download goes into my videos. You can select where you would like for your file to go to. So if you want to take it to the desktop, if you want to, you have a musical file that you want to go to, or your downloads folder, that's what you do. In my case, I'm going to go to my music folder and I'm going to save it as a wave sound. That's what it's going to be, a wave sound. And you go select save and it'll save it to that file. Now, if you want to take a look at it, select here, open when it's done, and then you can see what it looks like after it has been saved. So you can click on it and listen to your sound. So you click right here, listen to it, and when you're finished listening to it, you can go ahead and select this. Okay, so that's how you save this file. And I want you to go ahead and experiment with more of the components here. Grades 4 and 5 will save only. Grade 3 and 2, all I want you to do is to experiment and explore. All right, so guys, go ahead, have fun.